If you have knee pain right here or right here on the medial and lateral side of your knees, then let me show you why it might not be your knees and instead it might be your foot. You see, if your knees wobble in like this when you stand up, it could be because you put too much pressure on this side of your foot. And if your knees wobble to the outside more, you might be putting too much pressure on the outside of your foot. But here's a cool drill to fix this. How to fix this is by practicing your sit-to-stands while having someone force you to keep each side of your foot down on the ground. To start, go to the inside of your foot like this and push your big toe and your heel down. Now from there, don't let the knee cave in, push the knees out, but keep the big toe down. I'm gonna pull up on this towel, and as you stand up, don't let the towel come out from under your foot. Nice, oh, almost had it done. This might take some practice, you guys. Push that big toe side down, push the knees out. There you go. There we go. You see how every time that foot wants to wobble to the outside. Now, if you have knee pain on the other side, what you can try is coming around to the other side like this and putting the towel on the outside of the foot, and this time focusing on putting pressure there. I have a suspicion that she'll be able to do this really easy, right? So when you know which side is weaker, then you can focus on that side to teach your body to move better. Because remember, when you move your body better, you feel better in your body. Now this is an awesome strategy to identify how much weight distribution you have on your foot from one side to the other and whether or not that's causing medial or lateral knee pain. But if your lower body actually hurts and you want to fix it, what you should do right now is watch this video right here and join our free lower body fix masterclass.